Hello everyone, so welcome to my channel Milestones in Biology. So today I am going to teach you about the aerial stem modifications. In last video I have given you few modification of aerial stem, like I have taught you the phylloclade, stem tendrils, thorns. Now I will continue that lecture and today I am going to teach the other few modifications. So first here that will be cladodes, which can also be called as cladophylls. These are the modification of aerial stem for the purpose of photosynthesis. These are the stem which has limited growth, and this stem is generally 1 or 2 internode long. So you will find in the stem 1 or 2 internode. You will find such modification where the leaf is scaly. So leaf are very small. They are scaly. They are spiny. So to help the plant in photosynthesis, to give the nutrition to the plant, as the leaves are not able to do that, so the stem are modified for this purpose of photosynthesis. Here, if you will see in diagram, you will find that these are leaves. Fine. Such leaf-like structures are called as cladode, and you will find scaly leaf here. Okay, so if you see example asparagus, which is having just 1 internode long stem, and rascus, which is 2 internode long. So this is about cladode. So phylloclade and cladode both are having the modification for purpose of photosynthesis. But in that case you will see that stem is modified into thick, fleshy, broad structure. Whereas in case of cladode, there are few thin stems which has lost the growth, and they will also look like a leaf. As they are having spiny leaves and the leaves are scaly, they are not able to do the photosynthesis properly. So stem has modified into this structure. Now the next one is prickles or hook. So these are the outgrowth of cortex or epidermis. Fine. They develop from cortex or epidermis, easily detachable, and they are exogenous in origin. Fine. They are not connected with the innermost part. They are superficially arranged, and their purpose is climbing. You will see such structure in case of rose, and you will find this in smilex. Fine. So prickles and hooks, they are they can be easily detachable. Growth, they are outgrowth, superficially growing from cortex and epidermis, and their purpose is for climbing. So this is all about the aerial stem modification. Now I will give you the full flow chart of stem and its modification. So let's start with the flow chart. So we are talking here about the stem. Stem can be of two types. One is aerial and the other is underground. So these are the two. Now in aerial stem we have read about erect stem, reduced and weak. Fine. In erect stem, we had discussed about culum, cortex, excurrent and decurrent. In weak stem, we had discussed about upright, weak stem and prostate or subaerial weak stem. Here in upright, discussion was climbers. So in upright weak stem, we had to talk about climbers and twinners. In climbers, there are different types: root climbers, stem climbers, scramblers and lianas. Then in prostate stem, there are two types. One is for trailers and creepers. In trailers, we have discussed about suckers, runners, stolen and offset. So this is the simple division for aerial stem. Then in underground stem modification, we had to talk about rhizome, tuber, bulb and core. These were modification of underground stem. Then we had a discussion about the modification of aerial stem, where we had discussed about thorns, phylloclade, cladode, thorns, phylloclade, cladodes, tendrils and hooks, prickles. Fine. These are the aerial stem modification. So from this flow chart, you understood everything. It is the stem modified into erect, reduced and weak. Means stem are of two types, aerial and underground. In aerial, erect, reduced and weak stem are the types, and then erect in these four. Reduced, these are the disc shape, reduced structure where you will not see any nodes and internodes. Weak stem, upright and prostate. In upright you will see climbers and twinners, and in prostate you will see trailers and creepers. those are the types of creepers. Then if underground stem is modified, these are the modification. If aerial stem is modified, these 5 are the modification. So this is all about stem. From here I am ending the topic of stem. Then I will move into the next topic, that is the leaf. So till then keep learning. Take care. Goodbye and be safe.